have taken our part 1 circle lesson. Now today is our part 2 circle. Okay, let's move towards the next slide. We'll starting from the first slide. Okay, our topic is circle mathematics. Our today's learning outcomes in circle. Okay, yesterday we have learnt radius, diameter, circumference, and formula of circumference also we have learned, that is 2 pi or pi d. We already learned and we have discussed on, we have done practice on that. We have solved many sums. Okay, we find diameter, we find radius, we find circumference of circle. And in today's lesson, our next topics are, or learning outcomes in today's session, that is we will come to know arcs. What is arcs? Major arcs, minor arcs, semicircular arcs, and corresponding arcs. We will going to learn these types of arcs in this lesson. Okay, take next slide please. So students, let's recall. I know everybody learned lesson in previous standards also, in 6th standard, in 5th standard also. You know circle, what is circle, what is square. Okay, today we are going to learn some parts of circle, that is arc of the circle. What is arc of the circle? You know bangle. Everybody knows bangle. What is bangle? Bangle is in circular shape. Okay, a plastic bangle is shown alongside. Okay, on the left side of this slide shown a bangle. Suppose it breaks at point A. 2 points given. Okay, A and B on the bangle. What is each of these pieces called as part of a circle? Dear students, if the bangle is broken, what will happen? It will divided into 2 parts. It may be same, or it may be small, or it may be small big. Okay, so what we call it is? Anybody can guess what we call it is? If it is broken, we cannot say it is circle. After broken the bangle, then what we call it is? Okay, we will see this, what we call it is, on the next slide. Yes, Shivani, can you answer? Shivani Sahu? Yes, we call it. Yes, we call it is. Yes, I got the answer. We call it is arc. Okay, arcs of the circle. Okay, it means 2 parts of the bangle, that is arcs. We will see on the next slide arcs, types of arcs. Yes, this is. Look at this figure, dear students. In the figure alongside, chord RT is a diameter of the circle. Okay, chord RT, or we can say it is diameter. Okay, RT is the diameter of the circle, which divides circle in 2 equal parts. In 2 equal parts. One part is upper side, one part is bottom side. Okay, and both are equal parts. They are called semicircular arcs. Semicircular means what? Look, it means they are the equal parts. Look, R, Y, T. This is the one part, and the next bottom part is R, X, T. This is the second part. Both parts are equal, so it is called semicircular arcs. Keep in mind, semicircular means same arcs. Okay, same arcs. It means which having 180 degree. RYT is 180 degree and RXT is 180 degree. You know, dear students, सर्कल इज ऑफ 360 डिग्री. सर्कल का मेजरमेंट होता है 360 डिग्री. ओके, जस्ट लाइक दैट यू ऑलरेडी लर्न एंगल्स. angles are acute angle, obtuse angle, and okay, right angle. Now right angle is of how many degree? How right angle is of, everybody knows, right angle is of 90 degree. Okay, just like that also, circle also measured in degrees, that is 360 degree. Any circle which has 360 degree total. Okay, if the diameter divides the circle, then two parts of circle, okay, that is semicircular arcs. One arc is of 180 degree and second one arc is of 180 degree. 180 plus 180 how much? 360 degree circle. Okay, move towards the next slide now. So students, look at this, also very important parts of this circle: central angle and the measure of an arc. Central angle. Okay, look at the figure. First we will read the figure, then we will read this. This is the circle which having midpoint O. From O there are two lines gone. One is OA radius and second one is OB. OA OB. Okay, and one small arc is formed there, AZB, and one angle also form, AOB. O is the center of the circle. Keep in mind, O is the center of the circle. Look, okay, one angle is formed there in the circle, one angle form. Okay, now we will read what about this figure. In the figure, O is the vertex of the angle OAOB. You know, dear students, we already learned vertex. What is mean by vertex? Vertex is the place where two arms joint together. So that point is called vertex, or we can say it is corner. Okay, an angle whose vertex is the center of the circle is called a central angle. What is meant by central angle? Again read, an angle whose vertex is the center of the circle. ऐसा एंगल सर्कल का जिसका वर्टेक्स क्या है? मिड पॉइंट है सर्कल का. So that angle is called central angle. So AOB is the central angle. Got it, everybody? AOB means, it means O is the vertex of the angle and O is the midpoint of the circle. So it is called central angle. Okay, look at the next line. The angle AOB in the figure is the central angle corresponding to arc AZB. Corresponding to arc AZB. The measure of the angle subtended at the center by an arc is taken to be the measure of an arc. So students, look at this. If AOB is the central angle and corresponding arc is what? AZB. Okay, AZB is the arc. AZB is in circular form. Okay, and AOB is everybody knows AOB is the angle. Okay, in this angle AZB is the arc came. So if AOB is 70 degree, then arc also AZB also 70 degree. If angles measurement and arcs measurements are same. Okay, in this case, look at the next slide. So look at the example. The measure of an minor arc. The measure of a minor arc. Okay, minor means small arc. In the figure alongside, the measure of angle AOQ. The measure of an angle AOQ is equal to 70 degree. In previous slide also we learned this. If central angle is of 70 degree, then corresponding arc of the central angle. Corresponding arc of central angle. What is the corresponding arc? It means in that angle whose arc we are watching at this arc, that is AYQ. This is the arc, and corresponding central angle is AOQ. O is the center of the circle as well as O is the vertex of the angle. Okay. So this is central angle. AOQ is the central angle. Look at the lines in the figure alongside. The measure of angle AOQ is equal to 70 degree. Hence, the measure of the minor arc AYQ is 70 degree. Hence, dear students, I already told you that if central angle is 70 degree and whose corresponding arc is AYQ, also same degree, AYQ also. Okay, so AYQ is 70 degree. It is written as measure. How it is written arc? Arc is written, look at the last line of this slide, last line. It is written as measure of, in bracket, arc, ARC, AYQ. AYQ is equal to 70 degree. You can write another way also, QYA. Okay, AYQ or QY, that is 70 degree. Both are same. So we learned from this slide, what we learned? If central angle is 70 degree or 80 anything, okay, the corresponding arc also same degree. Just like in that figure, if AOQ is 70 degree, then AYQ, this arc, is same 70 degree. Got it, everybody? Yes, look at the next slide. Okay, this is the figure, dear students. In that figure, we will learn the measurement of, say, circle. Okay, the measurement of circle and its arc. We in previous slide we learn minor arc. Okay, in this slide we will learn the measure of major arc. Major means big arc. Okay, so look, measure of a major arc. This is the formula. Keep in mind, measure of minor arc. How to calculate measurement of major arc? You know what is the measurement of whole circle? पूरे सर्कल का मेजरमेंट कितने डिग्री का होता है? I already told you that the whole measurement of circle is 360 degree. Okay, measurement of major arc is equal to 360 degree minus measurement of corresponding minor arc. Okay, 360 में से माइनर आर्क कैलकुलेट माइनस किया तो हमको मिल जाएगा मेजर आर्क. Okay, hence measure of major arc AXQ. Okay, in that figure we will see there are two arcs given. AXQ is the big arc. Okay, look at A. Where is the point A? At upper side. On left side X is the point, and again AXQ is the major arc. बड़ा है ये. Okay, that is major. And what is minor? Minor means chota. That is AYQ is the small arc. We already learned about AYQ on the previous slide. That is 70 degree. Okay, hence measure of major arc AXQ in the figure we will see 360 degree. From where came 360 degree? 360 degree is the measurement of whole circle. Any circle, small circle, big circle, or any circle, degree of measurement of circle is 360 degree minus measurement of minor arc. Okay, 360 minus minor arc, we will get measurement of major arc, that is 290 degree. Okay, 290 degree. So AXQ is equal to 290 degree. Got it, everybody? If we plus in this figure 290 plus 70 degree, we will get the answer 360 degree. Okay, it means in that figure these two arcs are corresponding arcs, AXQ and AYQ. Sorry, AXQ and AYQ. Both are corresponding arcs. Okay, look at the next slide. So we will learn minor arc, major arc. The next part is semicircular arc. What is semicircular arcs? Now look at the figure and determine the measures of semicircular arcs. What are semicircular arcs? AXB and AYB. Okay, these are the semicircular arcs. Semicircular means what? Both parts are equal. That parts are did by diameter. Okay, diameter की वजह से दो parts हुए circle के. And how? Equal parts, AYB and AXB. We already know that circle has 360-degree measurement. Okay, if you divide by half, if we did half of 360-degree, we will get the answer 180-degree. It means that AXB is 180-degree and AYB is 180-degree. Okay, both are same, so it is called semicircular arc. Okay, AXB and AYB are semicircular arcs. Okay, look at the next slide. Now I know, it means that we will come to know by these slides. What we come to know, that 3 points we covered. The measure of a minor arc is equal to its corresponding central angle. Central angle and measurement of minor arc both are same if corresponding angle is 30-degree, then minor arc also 30-degree. Okay. Second point, the measure of a major arc is equal to 360-degree minus measure of corresponding minor arc. 360 में से माइनर आर्क को माइनस किया तो क्या मिल जाएगा? मेजर आर्क. ओके, लुक एट द नेक्स्ट, द मेजर ऑफ सेमी सर्कुलर आर्क. व्हाट इज द सेमी सर्कुलर? मींस इक्वल पार्ट्स. सेमी सर्कुलर 180 degree, one is 180 degree and another one also 180 degree. So these are the measurement of semicircular arc. Semicircular arc made because of diameter. Okay, because diameter equally divide the circle, so semicircular arcs formed. Look at the next slide. So students, in this slide we will see practice set 43. Okay, practice set 42 we already done. There are 3 questions. One is option type question. Second one is about this figure, and third question is we will see the first question on the next slide. So come on, read the first question, choose the correct option. Option type question is given, 4 options are given, and the question is, if arc AXB and arc AYB, both arcs are given of a circle, AXB and AYB are corresponding arcs. Both are corresponding arcs. Corresponding means what? Okay, in your mind you are thinking that corresponding arcs means what? Corresponding means arcs. So if a circle having arcs, 2 arcs, that 2 arcs end points are same. Okay, look at the arc name AXB and AYB. What you notice in this arc, AB and AB, both ends are same, no? So these are corresponding arcs. Got it? So AXB and AYB are corresponding arcs, and measurement of arc AXB is equal to 120 degree. Okay, we got the measurement of one arc AXB 120 degree. Okay, then find the measurement arc of AYB is equal to not given. Okay, we have to find it. AYB, AXB दिया है, AYB नहीं दिया है, so we have to find out. Okay, options are given. Option number 1, 140 degree, 60 degree, third 240 degree, and last one is 160 degree. Okay, we find the answer already. Look, measurement of arc AYB is equal to, this is the major arc, corresponding major arc, 360 minus measurement given of given arc. Okay, measurement of arc AXB. Okay, so look, 360 minus measurement of AXB क्या है, क्या दिया है क्वेश्चन में, 120 degree. So we have written 360 minus 120, that is 360 minus 120, that is 240. So measurement arc of AYB is equal to 240 degree. Okay, 360 में से 120 गया तो AYB का मेजरमेंट मिल जाएगा. So option number, what the option number answer? Option number 3rd is the answer, 240 degree. Got it, everybody? How we solve? We minus AXB from 360 degree. 360 degree is the measurement of whole circle. Look at the next question. Okay, students, this is the interesting question for you. You have to find and answer in that. Okay, this is the interesting question. We have to find names of minor arc, major arcs, and semicircular arcs. So look at the figure first. What is the diameter in this? QR. Points on the circle X, P, Y, and midpoint is O. Okay. Look at the question. Some arcs are shown in the circle with center O. Write the names of minor arc, major arc, and semicircular arcs among them. Okay. इनमें से हमको find out करना है minor arcs, major arcs, and semicircular arcs. I have already written here minor arcs. Minor means small arcs, which is less than 180 degree. Okay. Minor arcs means what? Arcs which have less than 180 degree. से छोटे होते हैं उनको हम minor arcs कहते हैं. So PXQ is the first. I have written minor arc, PXQ. Look at the upper side of the figure. PXQ. PR, RY. Look at the figure, you will see RY. Next is XP, small arc. These are the small arcs, XP, XQ. Yes, small arc it is also. And the next one is QY. QY also a small arc. So these are the minor arcs in this figure. Now look at the major arcs. Major arcs means what? Big arcs. बड़े हैं, जो 180 डिग्री से बड़े होते हैं. That is called we major arcs. PYQ. Look at P. Where is P? P on the upper side. Y is on the lower side. Y and Q. Big arc is there. PYQ. So it is called major arc. First we found PYQ. Another one is PQR. Look at P. Where is P? Upper side. Q, PQ, and R. So this is also big arc. We call it is major arc. PYQ, PQR, and next one is RQY. RQY. Yes. Take from R, measurement R to Q, Q to Y. Big arc is there. So it is major arc also. And the last one is XQP. X, where is Q? Q is near to X, XQ, P is there, big arc is there. So this is also a major arc. Now look at semicircular arcs. Every circle has only 2 semicircular arcs. If diameter is given, only 2 semicircular arcs are there. If diameter is given, 1 diameter is given. Okay. RPQ and RYQ. Both are semicircular arcs in this figure. So students, look at the next question. In a circle with center O, okay, assume it is figure not given, assume in a circle center O, the measure of minor arc is 110 degree. Okay, the measure of minor arc is 110 degree. What is the measure of the major arc PYQ? What is the measure of major arc PYQ? We already know how to find out major arc. Major arc PYQ is equal to 360. 360 what? We have, if we find out, if you want to find out major arc, then we do minus from 360 degree. What minus? Minor arc. Okay, 360 minus minor arc. So what is the measurement of minus r given in the question? Yes, 110 degree. So 360 minus 110 is equal to 250 degree. So measurement of PYQ is equal to 250 degree. Okay. Now we will move towards our understood everybody? Our next part is of homework. Take screenshot, everyone.
Hello, sir.
Yes, beta, come on.
What is a semicircular arc?
Beta, semicircular means arcs, okay, arcs which are having arcs which divided by diameter, okay. Diameter की वजह से दो parts होते हैं circle के, okay. That two parts are called semicircular arcs, okay.
Okay.